वेलकम टू माय चैनल साइंस आइकन। अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल को। आज हम वेलोसिटी ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स वाइब्रेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेच स्ट्रिंग के बारे में जानेंगे। वेलोसिटी ऑफ ट्रांसवर्स वेरिएशन ऑफ वाइब्रेशन ऑफ स्ट्रेच स्ट्रिंग। आइडियल स्ट्रिंग इज अ परफेक्ट फ्लेक्सिबल थिन फिलामेंट ऑफ अ वायर, a uniform spread over the length. Let A be represent an element AX of a string without stiffness under the tension T. Lying along x-axis when undistributed, let A1 B1 represent the element when the string is displaced by the xy plane. Let coordinate of x plus AX, y plus AY, alpha y represent and let the displacement or the small tension remains uncleared when the string is vibrating in xy plane. Let A1 and C and B1D be the two tangent A1 and B1 respectively, making angle phi 1 and phi 2 with x-axis respectively. Force at A is T along A1C. Force at B is T along D1B. According to figure, B represent the force of filament filament along the x-axis. F equals to T sin phi 2 minus sin phi 1. As phi 1 and phi 2 be a small, we can write it F T1 T sin phi 1 minus T sin phi 2 equals to T tan phi 1 minus T tan phi 2. F equals to T d E x plus dy by dx into ax divided by dx minus dy by dx. F equals to T into dy by dx plus t square by dx square into ax. Then dy by dx, again the force on the x-axis, F equals to m alpha x dy by d square by dx dt square equals to t dy square dx square alpha x equals to m alpha x dy square divided by dx square equals to t d y square divided by t dx square equals to m dy square divided by dt square. Then dy I square divided by dx equals to t by m dy square divided by dx square. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and please share the video.